Okay, today I'm going to show you how to add and subtract fractions. Sorry. Alright, so we're going to do 3 problems, and I'm going to walk you through the steps of each one. The first one, let's say 5x over 6 plus 4x squared plus 8x over 6. So the first step to solving this equation would be to get a common denominator. Common denominator. And as you can see, we actually do already have a common denominator of 6 and 6. So the next thing I like to do is I call it add like with like, but I pretty much draw a line across. So add like with like. I draw a line across the fraction and I add the numbers that are on the numerator. And then the denominator will just turn into 1/6. You don't add 6s. So that would be 4x squared plus 13x over 6. And then the last step is to simplify. And for this, you can take out an x. So you have x times 4x plus 13 over 6. And that's going to be the answer to the first problem. Let's try another one kind of like that. 15x minus 7 over 14 minus 3x plus 30 over 14. So as you can see, they already do have the first step, which is get a common denominator. So I'm going to draw a line across. And then this time it's subtraction, not addition. So you want to subtract 3x from 15x, which gives you 12x. And then negative 7 minus 30 gives you negative 37 over 14. And then to simplify, we actually cannot simplify that anymore. There's not a common factor that you could divide or take out anything, so that's going to be the final answer. The final problem is going to be x minus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 4 plus x over x plus 4. And now we want to get a common denominator, and as you can see on this one, we actually don't have a common denominator. So what I'm going to try to do is factor out this equation. X squared plus 5x plus 4. So let's see how we can factor this. 4 and 1 multiply to 4 and add to 5. So it's going to be factored like that. So the next step of the equation, I just like to write it all out so I can see what I'm doing. So x plus 4 and x plus 1 plus x over x plus 4. So as you can see now, we have an x plus 4 and an x plus 1 in the denominator on here, and just an x plus 4 in the denominator on the right side. So what you want to do is multiply both sides by x plus 1 to get that in this denominator as well, so we have a common denominator. So multiply, not both sides, multiply both top and bottom of the fraction on the right. So that comes out to look like this. X minus 2 over x plus 4 times x plus 1 plus x squared plus x over x plus 4 x plus 1. Now they do have a common denominator, so I'm going to draw the line across and add the top numerators together. So this can be x squared plus 2x minus 2 over x plus 4 x plus 1. And now I'm going to try to factor this out just to make sure, so I can see if I can simplify it. X squared plus 2x minus 2. And that cannot be, I don't think that can be factored. And let's check though. Anything that multiplies to 2 and adds to 2, 1 and 1 add to 2, but does not multiply to 2. 2 and 1 multiply to 2, but add to 3. So you actually cannot factor that equation. So the final answer to this problem is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 2 over x plus 4 times x plus 1. And that's how to solve an equation like that. That is going to be how you add and subtract fractions.